Hello, dear students. This is your chapter number 9. Memories are made of buttermilk. Here we start with the chapter reading. My first memory of buttermilk is warmth and darkness. I must have been 5 or 6 years old. A pleasant swishing sound drew me to my grandmother's kitchen. My grandmother was sitting on the floor, her legs spread out and resting against the wall. Soft light came in through the window in front of her. Between her knees was a heavy mud pot. A tall wooden mathu or butter churner was placed inside this pot. Here, a little girl explained her childhood memory regarding the buttermilk. So, my first memory of buttermilk is warmth and darkness. It's so sweet and it is full of colors in the darkness. I must have been 5 or 6 years old, and now my age is like 5 or 6 years old. And pleasant, it means it cool, and it's sweet noise swishing sound drew me to my grandmother's kitchen. It means that some noise came from the my grandmother's kitchen, and my grandmother was sitting on the floor and her legs spread out and resting against the wall. It means she sits with the resting against the wall, and from there soft light came by the window in front of her, and between her knees was a heavy mud pot, a tall wooden matthew or a butter churner. It means between her knees a machine there that separate butter from milk by shaking the milk. I walked into the cool kitchen. My grandmother turned. Her beautiful face crinkled into a smile, but she didn't say anything. Crinkled means that broke into small lines or wrinkles, that usually for the like old age people. So I walked into the cool kitchen and my grandmother smiled at me, but she didn't say anything. She was quietly busy. She held the two ends of a rope that was coiled around the butter churner. As we can see in the picture also, that there is a butter churner, a machine with the rope. So two ends of a rope that was coiled. Coiled means that is passed round and round tightly around the butter churner. They moved back and forth in a rhythm. My grandmother was both alert and relaxed. I had seen her in this position many times. Now, by doing that process, a sweet rhythm is also there, and that is keep continuously doing. And my grandmother was totally alert and relaxed. Alert means that watching something carefully, and this position, and I've seen so many times in this position to my grandmother. I slipped under her hand and sat down against the she-shaped curve of her body. My legs were spread out like hers, my hands level with hers. I leaned against her soft belly. Together, we pulled the rope back and forth, making the milk give up its butter. It wasn't milk really, it was the thick yogurt that she had collected for a couple of days. Now, I already seen her, my grandmother, in this position so many times earlier. Then I slipped under her hands, as we can see in the picture also. She is sitting between that churner and the grandmother, and she slipped under her hands and sat down against the C-shaped curve of her body. It means that Taker leaned against the grandmother. My legs were spread out and same like grandmother. My legs also spread out, my hands level with hers, and same my hands are like with her hands, and I leaned against her soft belly, and together We pulled the rope back and forth, same like the grandmother, making the milk give up its butter. It means churning out the butter from the milk, as we can also do in our home, but with the latest methods like with the mixie grinder, and so many methods are there. But the earlier, in the times of like past, the butter is like come out from the milk like in that way only, by roping. So it wasn't milk really, it's only the thick yogurt that she had collected for a couple of days. Yes, in our home also we collected like thick yogurt from the milk, and after so many like 3 4 days or 5 6 days, we just churned out and take out the butter from the milk. I loved sitting with my grandmother, matching my arms to hers as we pulled the rope together. I could smell the buttermilk and feel my grandmother's breath on my neck. She didn't say a word, but I felt so uncomfortable. It means like with my as I sitting with my grandmother, and I love to sit with my grandmother and matching my arms to hers as we pull the rope together. I could smell the buttermilk, and I also smell the buttermilk and feel my grandmother's breath on my neck. She didn't say a word, but I feel so safe and comfortable. And after some minutes later, the heavy butter lumps begin to form. It means when we churn continuously, then the heavy thing just come out in in form of a lumps. My grandmother poured cold water into the mud. We continued churning. Within minutes, the butter lumps floated on the top. Then we stopped. Here you can see in the picture also. Here a pot is also there with the cold water, and here just put the butter from the milk.